Is legendary marketer a scam? Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home Based Pursuit. And in this video, I'm going to go over the legendary marketer review and how it can potentially help you, how it potentially cannot. Okay. But before I get started, if this is the first time you're watching me, I come out with videos like this on online marketing, affiliate marketing. I do even coaching, consulting more so, a little bit more these days. And how to make a passive income online, okay? A lot of people are going to share their opinion about what I'm about to say, but just keep it with perspective. Keep it in the frame of thoughts, okay? I haven't thoroughly gone through Legendary Marketer myself, okay? I reached to the 5th day, but I want to really share my opinion of it. Okay, I really want to go through that. I can share facts as well. There's other people that are earning, doing well. They'll go ahead and throw out the numbers for you because facts, right? Facts at the end of the day for me is what matters a lot more so too than an opinion. Opinions can help, but you're going to have to be careful. Why? So many people will throw legendary marketer in different angles. There's different perspectives you're going to hear from people. People are promoting it in different ways. People doing it in so much more of a scammy way. I'm not saying that legendary marketer is a scam because legendary marketer, let me say it, is not a scam. But the people who are behind it, like the promoters maybe out there, can come off that way. And some of them, more so than others are. And you just have to be careful. Legendary marketer, it's a high ticket, more so affiliate place for you as an affiliate marketer. You don't know affiliate marketing, it's basically you lining up people with an offer and then them going over to the merchant to make a purchase, and whenever they do, you make a commission percentage off of that. But it's not solely for affiliate marketing. It's for coaches, consultants, agencies. It's for everything else out there that you can imagine, but they're higher ticket products, right? It just so happens that the affiliate part of it is a side of it, and a lot of people are putting up YouTube videos, reviews of it, and they're giving it so many unrealistic claims and so many things, more so to make a buck from you. And that is the truth. I'm an educated fellow. I went to school, studied, went to university, was a Division I soccer athlete at a point. So for me to fall through and see these reviews, I always do my homework first. Analytically, I do it first so I can know what it's about. And I've seen other people's videos on this. So I'm kind of going off of a little bit of that and off of my own experiences that I'll get into just in a second. I'll show you something that I didn't like. But from what I'm seeing, and you see these other reviews, it's like, it's a scammy in a way. It is. There's people who are promoting it that I don't approve of. Sometimes they're just promoting it to make. The thing is, it's like an MLM. And if you know what an MLM is, that's probably drawing a red flag in your head right now. In the sense that MLMs are not a scam, but it's like promoting a product within a product to promote another product within a product. It's like when people start affiliate marketing and they join the Make Money Online niche to promote a course that they haven't made a course, but they're promoting a course to make money off that course. Now for me, I started in the health and wellness space, and I actually have a legitimate affiliate marketing niche business in the lower back pain space. Unlike many people you run into to make money online niche, would say I'm genuine. I want to be as humble as I can. That's what I've been known to be for a long time. I'm a big brother, I'm a younger brother. So I keep everything in the right perspective. And what I'm seeing with, let me go into actually the share screen here. Let me go ahead and show you. See how I'm on day 5. It hasn't unlocked the whole thing. But what you can go through for $7, you get to get 15 days of a challenge where you're going to watch videos. You can from day 1, you can claim your free bonus scripts and the templates. The person who's going to be educating you, helping you, giving you information is David Sharp, owner of things like Empire Network. And those things were kind of, in a way, for me, scammy. In a way they weren't, but at the same time, you get people on board and then you still upsell them on another product to be able to sell that product, and then you upsell them on more so they can sell that product. And I don't like that model. I hate that model. And in a similar format, legendary marketer can come off that way. You have a guy, yes, I respect who he is. I respect where he's come from. I respect that he was, you know, had nothing really, where he was living and, basically couch surfing, doing all these things to coming up to become somebody who is noteworthy, trustworthy, and backed up. And then especially you have a guy from like Shark Tank backing up him and endorsements. But then again, you never know. I mean, you can pay people to do that. Social proof is big nowadays, but you have to be very careful and take it with a grain of salt. I wouldn't say legendary marketer is the right fit, like the best fit for me, the right fit for me, only on the fact that I'm not saying their products aren't proven. It's just, when you join for 7 days, you get to go through the training, complete your quiz, you're going to schedule a one-on-one business plan with an advisor and claim your bonuses. So I have an advisor, and I'll tell you why I haven't gone in contact with them since. But you're going to be getting on like a little Zoom call, and you're going to be talking to them. And then, they're going to ask you questions based on who you are. They're going to get to know you. And I know the whole criteria of what they go off of because I'm a digital marketer. I'm an affiliate marketer who's making good money doing it. So I know it because I have the skills to do it. I know what people are asking you, how they're going to persuade you. I know persuasion well, breaking false belief patterns, epiphany bridge scripts. If you want to know more about those things and how to get better at it, I'll leave it in the description below so you can understand more about these concepts in an ethical sense and how I'm using them correctly. But they're going to talk to you about like, hey, what would your ideal day look like? Maybe not that, but things like if you can have a dream car, what would it be? And I remember, listen to me, this is where it starts going the opposite direction. So I had a Hispanic guy. I'm Hispanic as well. I speak Spanish. I speak it fluently. Sometimes I forget how to speak, not how to, like completely how to speak it sometimes because I'm not always saying it on a day-to-day basis, right? It's not it's a primary language, but it's not what I am always, my dad speaks Spanish. He speaks English as well now. He didn't start off with English. He's Salvadorian. My mom's Mexican. She grew up in Fresno. So 2 different dialects, but I'm English, or I speak English well. So that was like my first language. But sometimes I forget how to say the right words, and it's funny because it doesn't come off as intended. But when I'm on a streak of doing it, it's kind of like when you build a habit of it. ¿Cómo estás? Te voy a ayudar. Te voy a ayudar a pregendar. ¿Cómo hacer las cosas bien? I speak it very fluently, so I'm not going to give you any kind of BS. A lot of other people are going to give you bullshit, and I'm not here to waste your time. I'm not here to waste my time either. But what happened was he asked me a question about if you can have a dream car, what would that look like? And for me, I come from, I don't need this lavish lifestyle if I'm making good money, I don't need to have a mansion. I don't need to have all those things, right? Different people are different. They talk differently. But coming from my background and knowing how I grew up around my parents, my younger brother looking up to me for everything. And I mean, having to have, it wasn't pressure that I took on, but I've lived with pressure most of my life. I've succeeded in sports. I've traveled in different parts of the world, all over the US. Pressure is not a thing to me. So I rise to the occasion when it comes to it. And I see through people's bullshit. And the thing is, when I was asked, so what kind of dream car would you like to have? And, when most people get asked that question, they would think, oh, a Ferrari would be nice, or they would have already had that in mind. And, I said something like of a nice Lexus. It's something, it doesn't have to be the most brand new version. It could be a 2015, 2016. Those are still luxurious, but they're not tier 1, right? And I get that they're not tier 1. There might be tier 2, tier 3. And then this guy went ahead and gave me a response of, that's not a luxurious car, Michael. Let's start thinking more. What about the Lambos out there? What about and I'm not a sucker, right? I'm not a sucker for things. And what they're just trying to get you to do is just trying to get your brain to start spinning in that direction. It's good to start thinking way above your means, right? Because you want to get there one day. I get it. And I strive for that. I have different goals every day that are up here that I don't even reach, but that's the point. You want to have goals up here that you can't reach. Don't set them too low because you're always going to hit them and you're going to be like, what's next? So that being said, I was asked that and I said, okay, well, let me switch it up. My second option could be a BMW. the M3 series. And that's where he was like, yeah, now we're getting somewhere. And I get that. But at the same time, luxurious is perspective to a different person. If by means it is a luxurious car, but not to you, doesn't mean it isn't to me. So that's where I had a fallacy with somebody. And them trying to get their point across. I get what you're trying to do, but don't try to tell me why I'm wrong, right? When I know I'm not about that. And that I didn't say it to them, but in my mind, I have a very powerful. I'm an introverted person, ambivert with extroverted qualities. But you're not gonna tell me something like that and try to prove your own point over mine. That's really like not what I liked. But they're very helpful. Aside from that, I don't really have problems with it. But it's just little things like that. And I didn't hear back from them. After I scheduled my next meeting with them, I did not hear back from this person. I had to freaking contact them. I thought it was a test of like them thinking, do I really want it? So I have to go ahead and contact them back. And I gave them days to respond back to me. And I wasn't going to be a sucker like that. So I did wait a couple months because I had other projects. I have other projects that I do. Legendary marketer is not the thing that I really like focus on. But then I contacted him back. And then he said, oh, sorry, or something like that. Let's go ahead and get started again. So might be a little play on play they're trying to do. But just be careful. And I've seen other videos where people are having those experiences. It's not to say it's a scam or nothing like that. I'm just saying just be careful. And so you go through this, and what happens is, you're going to get to understand what funnels are. You're going to go through the days, day 2, stuff that I'm already aware of, stuff that I've already learned elsewhere. You can even chat with them, something new they've added, I think, right there. The Zendesk app, I used to have that one. I go back to it later on. Schedule now. They're going to show you about funnels, how to set up funnels, sales funnels, but particularly, I use funnels. I use different funnel systems. The one that they use, I use. Day 4 is just kind of going through the same thing. Get your free templates, more videos. Schedule your next call. So you're going to get calls every single day. You're going to be able to schedule it with your trusted advisor to go in through there and go through the steps here. Go through the steps here and just kind of go through them. But I might finish this out later on. It's just kind of just, a slight, I guess you can call it a slight review. I might do one later on. But that's where most people will probably look at this and be like, well, you haven't gone through it yourself. You wouldn't know. There's top affiliates out there making good money doing it. Well, think about it. I wouldn't advise it's for a beginner, because how are you going to get the traffic? You still have to, at the end of the day, get the traffic. They'll help you understand how to do that. But to get that traffic, sometimes this is where I don't kind of like things where after the $7 trial, yeah, you're going through it. It's not bad. It's good training for a beginner, somebody trying to get into it, trying to understand digital marketing space, affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing particularly. And then I think there's like a $30 offer or more or less that you would go get after that to be like the affiliate or something like that. And then they have $2,500 products, and then it goes up from there that you would want to get into, right? You'd want to get into if you want to fully take advantage of the Legendary Marketer suites. And that's where I'm like, whoa, like, yeah, it's for some people, not for everybody. So just be careful. There's people who make money with affiliate marketing already that can invest into that, or they have other businesses that are like, okay, let me go ahead and give it a try, no problem. But just be careful with that. Even if I make good money doing it, I don't want to be a sucker for stuff like that. It's just because you have the money to pay for something doesn't mean you have to do it. Be logical. I know with this now, I was never good at marketing or sales, marketing, and all that. But when I got online, I really learned it well. And I know persuasion in an ethical sense. People are going to feed into your emotions before you think about something logically. So you're sold on emotions, and then you justify everything logically afterwards, to keep it short. So just be careful, take it with a grain of salt. But that's everything I wanted to go through. You have the challenge, products, accounts, information on the navigation. Continue to the next step once you're done. Once you've gone through your chat, and you can't really go through the next one unless you go through your chats, I know, but it's a good thing for you. It's going to keep you accountable. It's accountability. It's being responsible. So I'm going to stop share screen here. Yeah, that was kind of a half review in the sense. I'm not like completely in it, but I don't have to be. If I'm seeing what other people are saying, the bad and the good, there's good to it. There's a lot of upside to it. There's a lot of products in there you can go in there and promote. It's the right fit for some people, not for others. Just be careful, $7, $2,500 products and so forth going up there. There are alternative solutions to this if you're just getting started out or you're already doing things. I'll leave my list of affiliate networks down below. I have an actual like Fortune 500 list, plus I have an actual different list for like 60 plus other affiliates that are high tickets, that are recurring commissions, that are just low tickets, high tickets. You can go through that. I have articles on that you can view. Plus I have my blueprint guide on how to make my 5 steps to making $1,000 plus in affiliate commissions, affiliate marketing. In a time frame, I also have it in as little as like 90 days. That's subjective, of course, to the person, right? Everybody will be, some people will work harder, some will not. And you can do it all without Legendary Marketer. But that's my review. Just be careful out there what reviews you're watching. If you're watching them, if you're on, reading blog posts, what you're hearing from other people. Some people are just trying to promote it, just promoting somebody else's course. If you don't, it's not your own, it's not really like a business, right? What is your own business? How are you helping people out? Just to join an affiliate to promote their business, come up with a niche, get into it. In a point, if you want to create your own product, you can do that. But yeah, that's everything from me. Look in the description below for more information. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do let me know. I tried to keep this not as scammy in a way because it's not a scam, but it's just gotta be careful. There's a lot of reviews out there, people just promoting Legendary Marketer just to make money, just to make their coverings, I've seen people jump into the online marketing space with Legendary Marketer who have money, which is fine, and then they're suddenly an expert and they make money online niche. It's like, what? I've had to build up a lot of time for this YouTube channel to be existing. I wouldn't have done it from the very beginning. What I did was I grew a back pain channel, and you can also view that. If you have questions, I can go ahead and hand you that. And I get a lot of views on that, and I get attention to it because I focus on another niche. I didn't come directly into this, right? And then you can use Legendary Marketer to help you out with that as well later on. All right, so that's everything from me. Thank you.